Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Madison County, northwestern St. Clair County, northeastern St. Charles County, northeastern St. Louis County, St. Louis City, and east central Missouri until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Alton and moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
I'm about to get some really strong winds here in a second.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Blackjack, Alton, Ferguson, Elwood, Spanish Lake, Jennings, Northwoods, Bellefontaine Neighbors, Riverview, Wood River, Granite City, Pontoon Beach, Madison, West Alton.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that darkness over there. Is that a CG strike? Look at these winds. Look at that. Shelf cloud coming over us right now. This is part of an outflow boundary. Light over there popping on. have just gone black here. Now, I don't mean black as power going out, I mean the sky has just gone black. You can see things have just gotten a lot darker here. Okay, these are about 40 miles per hour winds. Wouldn't really estimate it to 60 yet. Wow. Look at this. Wow, look at that. We are right now under the Whale's Mouth. Things have really gone dark here. I mean, they have gone dark. Man, just look at this up here. Man. Really nice mammatus going on here. Whale's Mouth. Look at that down there. We're going to soon be getting some really good lightning here in a little bit. One very nice Whale's Mouth though. Oh my goodness, look at that. Haven't seen nothing fall or snap yet. Haven't heard any power flashes or seen any. This is right now the leading edge of this windstorm we have going on here. Man, hear these winds, man. These are about 45 mile an hour winds tops. I wouldn't call them 60. 60 mile an hour would have brought some trees down here. Now I would have heard some power lines snapping. Man, look at these winds. Wow, you see that over there? Oh my goodness. These winds are coming from down here. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and brighten the lighting out here so you guys can see what's going on. We're getting some real strong winds here. These are about 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Starting to get raindrops now. Rain's starting to pick up here. Still have a very nice whale's mouth going on here. Rain's starting to pick up here. Go ahead, right back here. Gonna stop the camera right here.